Time to make some pizzas. We've got the fire started, and now let's get it heated up. Ralph Man's Outdoors. Susan got us a new pizza oven, and I did a video just the other day about unboxing it, putting it together. Didn't take hardly any time. This is a Zipa, Z-I-I-P-A, made in France. So, I mean, that's where they came up with pizzas, right? So it's got to be good. Well, we're going to find out. This is our first cook, and we're going to cook a few pizzas. I'm out on the back deck, and it's already fired up. If you enjoy it, find anything helpful, then just be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe. That way you're notified when we're doing cooks on the Black Stone, smoking, doing pizzas, out camping, or dealing with our garden and chickens. Let's get her going. Susan made homemade pizza dough, and this one's ready to go on. We just fired it up, and we want the temperature to get up to 350 before we start cooking. In just a matter of about 3.5 minutes, it's already to 300. We're looking for 350. I may wait till 375 to put the pizza in. That way when we lose heat through the front door, it'll still stay around 350. First pizza's off already. First two pizzas cooked in right about 90 seconds. Second one did take about 2.5 minutes. Temperature was dropping. I had to add more pellets. So all of that was good. Now we've got the fourth one going on. I'm waiting till the pellets get going again to get the temperature back up. So maybe we can get this one done in about 90 seconds. But I'm looking forward to giving it a try. There's the sausage and onion, pepperoni and cheese. Mine is sausage, onion, bell peppers, spinach, and I don't know what all else Susan put on it. She's got the same as me, except for she's got olives. Oh yeah, we've got Italian chicken sausage too. Ralph Man's Outdoors. We've cooked the pizza. This is our first go around. This has pepperoni, Italian turkey sausage that we made. It's got tomatoes, it's got lettuce, it's got onions and bell peppers. Let's give it a try. That's actually pretty good, and it only took 90 seconds in the new pizza oven. I think I need to crisp the crust a little bit more, but other than that, it's right tasty. If you liked it, found anything helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, God bless.